It's a reminder to everyone, make sure you always torque your bolts correctly and don't let the rust get to them. Should have been recording a few seconds ago. It took all three of us holding the bike down to undo that axle bolt with a bit of leverage as well. But I mean, we've just barely loosened it now, but even now, watch this. Going to hold the camera for us. This is what happens when you don't, right. Yeah. Always make sure that's a lot looser now. But yeah, as you can see, you always make sure these don't look properly. Because a bugger when you gotta, out of breath. Yeah, it's a nightmare when you gotta undo them. But no, that's a little video for that.